Richard, sweet na sweet ang mensahe sa asawang si Lucy. Sa pagdiriwang na ika-50th birthday ng asawang si Ormoc City Mayor Lucy Torres Gomez, sweet na sweet ang mensahe ng asawang Leyte 4th District Congressman Richard Gomez. Ang mensahe ay binasa mismo ni Richard sa harap ng asawang si Lucy, na halatang naantig naman sa kanyang narinig. Masuyong nagyakapan ang mag-asawa pagkatapos na nakakakilig na mensahe ni Richard. Marami namang mga kaibigang artista ang bumati sa magandang mayora.
December 11, 2024. Dearest honey, with every sunlight that paints the sky and every moonbeam that lights the night, my thoughts are always of you. If fate granted me with another life in another universe, I know without a doubt I would search the stars to find you and marry you all over again. My love for you, my love for you stretches beyond the heavens, boundless and infinite. You are always and will be the only one who holds my heart. Happy birthday, my love. Thank you so much for filling my world with so much joy, light, and love. Forever yours.
Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Minsan di ko naman din sulat ko.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.